Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this face on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to get the bandages here, and I'm just going to color it black, and you're going to toggle the left and right on, and you're going to turn off the nose. I'm also just going to put some hair here. I'm just going to keep that simple as well. I'm gonna add some bangs too here. And then for the custom makeup version, just add in lips. You can use any that you would like to. I'm just going to use, I don't know, this one, I guess. So this is for the custom makeup one. If you don't have custom makeup, that is totally fine. You don't need it, but I'm just going to turn it off, and I'm just going to apply a face without a nose. Let's see, which one should I use? Maybe this one. And then we're just going to add in the, where is it? The like face mask, and we're just going to color it our skin tone. So make sure you save that. I think it's this one. I might have to lose the bangs because it just looks weird. Just layer some hairs on top and just select whichever face looks the best. I think the hair just looks a little bit odd, so you might have to kind of adjust it if you don't have custom makeup. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.